Hi guys, this is Umo and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I'm going to show you my recipe for fried chicken. This is so simple guys, but so yummy. My kids love this so much. I have here 1 kilogram of chicken. You can use the thigh or the legs. I already washed the chicken with vinegar and salt. So I'm going to put it in my pot. Then to that, I will add all my spices. I have here curry powder. I'm going to add a full teaspoon of curry powder. Then I will add some paprika. I will also add a full teaspoon of paprika. Use your favorite spices, but these are the basic one I always use. This is a black pepper, so I'm going to add some black pepper too. This is ground ginger. I love to add ground ginger. It's give a really nice taste to my chicken. So I have here ½ teaspoon of ground ginger. I have here my homemade spicy mix. You can use this one if you like. You can use your own seasoning, but this is the one I make every time for my cooking. So I'm going to mix all this together. Then to that, I will add some onions. I will cut these really big. It's just to give a nice flavor to my chicken. And I will also add 1 garlic. So if you love my recipes and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now for more delicious African recipes. I will also add some herbs. This is you can add thyme or rosemary or herb mix. Add a little bit of water, not too much. Then salt to your own taste and bring this to a boil. We are going to let this cook until the chicken is cooked inside. So I will check this every time. When it's ready, I will remove it from the pot. This method will help you to have the chicken cooked inside and outside. So that's why I always cook my chicken before frying. Now I'm going to heat the oil on medium heat and gently place my chicken inside and fry this until brown. If you are loving my recipe so far, please give me a thumbs up now. This is a quick recipe guys, so that's why I'll always do this like in the evening or like when my kids want something to eat quickly. So I fry this chicken and sometimes serve with fried plantain or fried potatoes or even sweet potatoes. It depends. So fry this until it's really brown all the side, and if you want it to be crispy you can fry even more. Then I will remove this and that's it. You can serve this with whatever you like and you enjoy with hot pepper, you know, like any sauce. You can also make let's say an onion sauce and serve with achike. So give this video a thumbs up and see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.